everyone. Welcome to the summary of beginners cubing class number 2, where I taught how to solve the first layer of the cube, which is the bottom layer. Um, so after this scrambled cube, in the first class I taught everyone how to solve the cross using the sunflower method, right? And so basically this is the next step, right? um, and to know this, you're going to need to know cube rotations. So here's the first cube rotation. You turn the right face up. This is called R. And when you reverse this, it's R prime. And it's represented by R and an apostrophe, or R and a dash. Next is L, which is bringing the left face down. When you reverse this, it's L prime, and it's taking the left face upwards. Next is U, which is turning the top layer from right to left. This is a U move. And when you reverse it, which is the opposite, moving from left to right, that's U prime. Move is a D move, which is moving the bottom layer from left to right. That's a D move. And when I do the opposite, which is move it from right to left, that's a D prime. Is the F move, which is moving the front face from left to right, like this. And when you do the opposite, which is move it from right to left, that's an F prime. Next is the B move, which is moving the back layer from right to left, like this, right? And reversing this, moving it from left to right, will be B prime. The last two moves which you need to know are M prime, which is moving the middle layer down, and M, which is taking this up. Now that you know the cube rotations, this is how you have to complete the first layer. Now to finish the first layer, I need to find the specific corner pieces, which are the pieces with 3 colors or 3 stickers, and I need to find the correct one to go in each place. As you can see, there are 4 corners on the bottom layer which I need to complete in order to finish the first layer. For example, if I would take the blue, red and white corner, the one which matches this center and this center, that would come over here. And so now I'm going to try to find it. Right, it's over here. So next, what I have to do is take it out with a simple R, U, R prime move, and I have to take it on top of where it's supposed to go. So I bring it right on top. Now if you notice, this piece can, the white side can be facing in either of 3 directions, and that doesn't really matter. All that matters is that the correct piece is directly on top of where it's supposed to go. Next, we do a simple algorithm that and repeat it until the white side is facing down over here. The algorithm is R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you can see that I've finally got it, but this same algorithm repeats several times until it's correctly aligned over here. So I'm going to do the same thing for each and every white corner piece, right? So that the entire first layer is completed. For example, over here I can see that it's on the corner piece which I want to put is already in the slot, but it's not aligned correctly. So just as I've done the previous one, I'm going to take it out using R, U, R prime, place it on top, and keep on doing R, U, R prime, U prime until I get it. R, U, R prime, U prime. So luckily it just took me one time to get it correctly, but sometimes depending on the orientation it might take more. Repeat the same thing for each and for the other remaining pieces, and in the end the the result should look something like this. Right, so you can see that this entire layer is solved correctly, and and not only is the white complete, but the blue pieces are with the blue center, the orange pieces are with the orange center, the green pieces are with the green center, and the red pieces are with the red center. So you can, if you notice, this entire thing is already solved, and all that's left is the second layer and the third layer, which I'll be teaching in the classes which are to come. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, subscribe, and visit our website, which is in the description below. Hope this video was useful, and for more videos, please check out our channel.